Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to remove the cylinder on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. This is my real-time service video where you can follow along with me as I perform the service. If you would like to see my faster point-to-point video, I have that linked below, as well as a link to the full top-end service. As always, parts and tools are linked below. Mark the 4-cylinder base nuts 1 through 4 to follow a consistent pattern. Loosen the cylinder base nuts 1/4 turn at a time to avoid binding. Take as many passes as you need. Turn your piston to bottom dead center and carefully lift your cylinder off the crankcase. If your cylinder is stuck, tap the cylinder with a mallet in multiple locations. Do not twist the cylinder during removal. Do not twist the cylinder during removal. Before you do any cleaning or wiping, inspect your cylinder for any scratches or inconsistent wear patterns. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.